Welcome to QLeave. QLeave helps Queensland's contract cleaners to get the long service leave they've earned. Our scheme rewards workers for their service to the industry, even if they change employers. Once a worker has recorded 10 years service in the industry, they can take paid long service leave. Over the next few minutes, we'll take you through the key things you need to know to make sure you're meeting your QLeave obligations. You must register with QLeave if you engage one or more workers to perform cleaning work for other people in Queensland. By registering and meeting your obligations, you'll help your workers to get the leave they've earned. This helps the contract cleaning industry to attract and retain skilled workers. Eligible workers include cleaners and supervisors who are engaged as a trainee, as a casual part-time or full-time employee, as a sole trader subcontractor, or by a labour hire company. There are, however, some workers who aren't eligible to join QLeave. Amongst others, this includes workers who engage their own workers, government employees, company directors, and trustees of a trust. You can find full details of who is and isn't eligible on our website. You can register your business, your workers, and submit your employer returns and levy payments online. Each quarter, you need to complete an employer return that provides details of your workers' service and wages. This must be completed in January, April, July, and October each year. The information you give us when you complete the return is recorded against your workers' QLeave membership and counts towards their overall long service leave benefit. We then use this information to provide registered workers with a long service leave statement listing periods of employment. After you submit your return, we'll issue you with an invoice for the levy payment. Your levy payment is based on the details you provided on your service return about the wages paid to each of your workers. The levy rate is currently 0.75% of your workers' ordinary wages. You can find out more about what an ordinary wage is on our website. We'll send you an email each quarter to remind you that your return is due. To make sure you don't miss out on these reminders, please be sure to keep your contact details up to date. We've covered a fair bit in the last few minutes, so don't worry if you can't remember everything. If you just keep these key things in mind, you'll be well on your way to meeting your QLeave employer obligations. First, you need to be registered as an employer if you engage eligible cleaning workers. If you're not sure who is or isn't eligible, you can find out more on our website. Next, remember to submit your employer return and levy payment by the due date each quarter. And finally, make sure you keep your contact details up to date. This way, we'll be able to keep you informed. You can find more information about QLeave and your obligations on our website. We also have a frequently asked questions page for employers that you may find helpful. If you have any questions, you can also contact us by phone or email. We're always happy to help.